Pulling away is not always rejection. Sometimes it is a shutdown response. Here is what may be happening beneath that behavior. For some people, closeness doesn't register as comfort, it registers as risk, like something is about to be required of them that they don't know how to give. So when a relationship gets closer, more consistent, more emotionally honest, their nervous system reads that as pressure. And pressure gets managed by creating distance. And that is not the same thing as not caring. It is often the opposite. The closeness matters enough to trigger the alarm. Meanwhile, the person reaching for them isn't chasing out of weakness. Their nervous system learned that distance is dangerous, so reaching is how they try to prevent being left. So both people are trying to protect the same relationship using completely opposite instinct. Neither one is wrong for what their body learned to do. The question worth asking is whether the relationship gives either person room to unlearn it.